and welcome back to Gradrim's YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about University of Manchester. The University of Manchester is a leading research university in the heart of Manchester, UK. Known for its global recognition and innovative approach, it's an excellent choice for students pursuing high-quality education and career growth. The university ranked around 27 as per the QS World Ranking and 8 as per the QS UK Ranking. This university offers various master's programs that includes Data Science and AI, Business and Management, Engineering and Robotics, Biomedical Sciences, Law and Politics. Got the master's list? Now let's check out the admission requirements. The GPA is 3.0 plus and it varies by the program. GRE or GMAT not mandatory for most of the programs but required for specific ones. IELTS score of 6.5 to 7 and TOEFL score of 90 to 100. Work experience is preferred for MBA and some business programs and the application fee is £60. Now let's talk about the deadline. It is usually between November to March for most of the programs. Early application is recommended for scholarships. Now coming to the important part, that is the tuition fee and the living expenses. The tuition fee usually ranges between £20,000 to £40,000 per year and the living expenses usually ranges between £13,000 to £16,000 per year. This information may vary depending on the program that you choose. So for funding this tuition fee, you must be requiring scholarships and University of Manchester offers various scholarships such as University of Manchester International Excellence Scholarships, Manchester Merit Scholarship, department specific funding. Well, now you must be worried about the costing, right? Let's talk about the part-time opportunities. For international students, it is 20 hours per week during the semester and full-time during holidays. The part-time job opportunities comes from hospitality, campuses and retail jobs and it usually ranges between £10 to £15 per hour. So after graduation, the only question that comes in your mind is the jobs and the salary opportunities, right? Well, the average salary ranges between £35,000 to £60,000 per year. If you are looking for affordable living, strong career prospects and academic excellence, University of Manchester is a great choice, right? Gradrims is offering free counselling process for 10 free universities. That means no counselling charges. We will guide you right from the university selection to visa process.